I hope you have learned everything from the last section on virtual appointments and how to configure this. This is the last section of this video segment I have done with Mark. In this section, Mark is going to help us understand the team's admin level capabilities and where can you find those details. Let's go and learn about that.
All right. Lastly, I think that covers a lot of the core capabilities of Teams Premium, but what I wanted to just jump into quickly was some of the admin capabilities that we have. Um, I'm just going to jump into the admin portal here to show this. But we have some advanced notification and alerts that we can provide. I know I touched on it early on in the meeting or early on in the discussion about what if I wanted to monitor for real-time meeting quality, or if somebody is having a poor experience in a meeting that's happening right now.
Yeah.
You can see here we've got a couple of reports under our notifications and alerts policy here that adjust or can alert you on, for example, audio quality in progress meetings. And you could see there was denoted by a premium flag there. But you can say, I want to send a notification somewhere, and I'll show you where we can send that if a specific condition is met. So, if I think packet loss stats, and we do a really good job at documenting what our threshold for poor audio quality is as part of our quality dashboard or our core quality monitoring stats. So for example, I want to report if packet loss is greater than 5%. Maybe I want to say if the round trip time is greater than a second, for example, I want to know about it. So again, I can say, who do I want to monitor? And this is where we apply a bit of a licensing check. So we only allow monitoring for users who have got a Teams Premium
Yeah.
license.
Mm.
And we can add specific users here. So I might want to monitor my demo user, Corey. And I want to post that alert into a specific team inside of a channel. Maybe I've got an IT support team. Maybe it's a VIP channel, and I'm using this to monitor, executive meetings to make sure that they're having a high quality experience all the time. So again, just a couple of additional administrative capabilities that exist for alerting of issues as they arise. Other than that, that about wraps it up. There are a whole heap of other features and settings and toggles that we haven't talked about, but I think if we did, we'd be here all day. So I'm happy to wrap it up there if you are.
Yeah, 100%. Thank you so much,